to my channel. Hi guys. Why did I do that? Why? What's this about? What? How are we doing today? I hope you guys are doing a lot better than I am right now. I am roasting from this heat. It is so hot in the UK right now. Thank you very much for visiting my channel. If you are new, please do stay, don't go. Let's be friends. That is cool. You know, I'm cool, I'm sure you're cool, so we can all be cool together. I've created this look for you today just to show you guys what you can wear to handle your business, you know, like if you have to go to the supermarket, or you're going to pick your child up from school, or even if you're going to work and you think, you know what, I'm ready for a change. I don't want to go to work with just my plain face. I want, you know, put in a little bit more effort, so I thought I'd do an effortless look to help you guys out. As you can see, it's nothing special, but it's better than going out looking all, you know, crusty and rusty and all of that. If you would like to see how I created this look, please do keep watching. So I've got my foundation on now. I've only put on one layer since we're going for a simple everyday look. Now we're going to go and do our brows, because I find personally for me, when I'm doing my makeup, no matter how simple the look I'm going for, if I don't get my brows in order, I feel like the whole look is thrown off. Okay, to do my brows, I'm going to use my eyeliner by Sleek, and it's called Ooh La La, baby, Ooh La La. It says eyeliner, but I'm going to use it to do my brows, okay? At the end of the day, it's my face, my rules, so I get to choose where I use my product, okay? You know me, I'm known for putting like eyeshadow on my cheeks and everything, on my lips, you know, it's whatever works for you personally. So here we go, let's get our brows done. This is what mine looks like. Okay. And because this is a simple everyday look, you don't have to do anything fancy, just make sure it's nice and neat. Ooh. And this is a very rich black, so I'm going to tread lightly before my brows look like they've been drawn on. Oh yeah, this dark is so rich. I'm so scared to use it in case I go overboard. Let's go. You know, because it's so dark, I'm just gonna like pat it on, and then I'll use a brush to move it where it needs to go. Yeah, that's alright. Yeah, you see it's very dark. I literally just tapped it on, and I've got a full dark black effect going on. Okay, and since I will not be using any concealer, I'm going to go back with my foundation brush and just try to neaten up around the edges of my eyebrows. This will just help to, you know, get rid of any harsh lines that I did not draw correctly, to give me that type of concealer effect, you know, to make the brows look very sleek. Okay, that's alright. Just touching up my lines. Okay, now that our eyebrows are ready, we're going to go in with some eyeshadow. Now, to do my eyelids, I'm going to use my Sleek eyeshadow palette called A New Day. Great pickup. Not that I'm shocked, because, you know, I've used this palette several times, and this color is my actual favorite. I always use it. It's the one that is used the most. Let's line our upper and lower eyelid. You see, just helps to make the white of your eyes pop a little bit more. A little bit more excitement, a little bit more definition to your eyes. So now we're gonna go and add some mascara, just because we want to make our lashes pop, you know. Because sometimes when you don't have very long lashes and you're wearing makeup and you don't put on any mascara, it can look like, where are her lashes, you know? I'm doing my best to avoid looking at my monitor screen because I want to look at you guys so that we can connect, you know, get closer, baby. See, I have not put on a lot, but yet it's already transformed my face from a blah to okay girl. Okay, now we're going to go for some blusher to make our cheeks pop. And I am going to use my blush by 3 in Sugar 364 by Sleek. Obviously, it's my only blush that does not have any shimmer in it. When I was little and I saw my mom putting on makeup, she always used to put a bit of blusher on her cheek, but I don't remember it being an actual blush powder. From what I remember, she used to take a little bit of her lipstick and just tap that on gently. So if you don't have like a powdered blusher, I'd advise just taking a little bit of your lipstick, depending on the shade. You know, if it's like a nice red, you can take your finger and press a little bit on and just work it into your cheeks. It just brings a bit of life, a bit of rosiness to your cheeks, you know. Beautiful blush. Yep, we're looking almost ready. Now we're going to sort out our lips. And I am going to use my lipstick again from Sleek. But like I said, it's a super simple everyday look, so I'm not going to plaster my lips with it, just enough to give me a nice little coat. I mean, it does not get any more basic than this, you know. I think that's enough. I'm just going to put a little bit more just to catch my corners, you know. It might be simple, but we still need it to look fierce, okay? But that is it, guys. So here we go, guys. This is my finished look. I've just fixed my dreads, honey. Anyway, I'll catch you in my next video. Please do take care, be safe, keep well, be blessed. Oh yes, I am not wearing one of my designs today because I wanted to just do a makeup tutorial, because obviously I have not been posting as often as I told you guys I would, so I'm trying to make up for the times that I did not post, honey, okay? So if you guys forgive me, give me a thumbs up.